touching the ground.
Just for being you.
Just for being you get all this stuff.
I'm getting his back.
Some excess specific stuff.
Oh yeah.
Check this out.
Come
This is great.
on.
Vic, you need one of them.
Does your can chain tensioner leak?
Ooh, doesn't everybody? Yeah, there you go.
It doesn't matter. Right now it's good.
If it doesn't now, it will.
In the near future.
Eventually. Get ready.
Drip, drip, drip.
This is from, this must be from Gary. He gave me those, Gary gave me these back at your rally in New Mexico.
New Mexico or Old Mexico?
Yeah, came from Smith Place, yeah.
Yep.
Because Ralph brought them. Everybody contributed.
Okay, okay. Because I got one home. What good's it do you home? I forgot it. It's in the shed. Well, it doesn't do you no good here. Well, maybe I'm stupid.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to stop at that one.
We're not going there.
We're going to leave that one go.
How long are we going to wait for Rob?
Ask the major up the restaurant.
Go like vultures on the rest of this stuff. I know it's not.
Did you get loud up there?
A lot.
I give him a choice, either slap or a punch. And
Isn't there another award you guys get?
Randy said, maybe we just better leave that alone.
Mitch, you get Rob's phone number?
Where is it?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
I didn't calculate the distance.
Did we decide how you're going to do that?
I didn't calculate the distance.
Well, which way does it go? Which way does it go?
Farthest. That's what it says.
Well, it would be Gary Buchanan.
I know.
Because I think the guy, the one in the truck here, he came from Pennsylvania, so,
Right.
and we're short of so.
No, I don't want anything that would
Where
sober
is
me
he?
up.
He's not even down here.
He's hiding. He knows.
I think they just.
Oh, I heard you behind. What was it? You said something offered you two choices.
Salad for the second time. I said, oh, fucking told you.
Yeah.
Rob, Stan, come on up, now, baby. Woo! You're the big winner.
Get over here, you
For the
crazy
wiener
fool.
or something.
Rob,
Rob, come over here.
you're the winner.
Come over here.
I'm the winner of what?
Best excess.
Biggest
I hope
pervert.
it's a blowjob.
There it is, right there.
There it is.
It's on tape forever.
His head's flat. It's okay.
Only from landing without a helmet.
Okay, I need rum now. My work is done.
We have I can't even say it. Scooties here. Can't change tension kit. Nobody wants. Oh yeah. Ooh, the elusive oil filter wash.
What do I need for
Well, that's copper grease.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It doesn't work on that. Don't ask me how it does. Where was he?
Yeah.
Yeah, that eventually.
I'll take that no seal.
Hey, I found him.
I wasn't Thank you very much.
I found him. Da-da-da-da. The Harley Award belongs to.
And still champagne.
Bill champion. Did Gary win it?
Hold it up.
Thank you.
Hold it up to the camera.
Yay.
Speech.
Boy, I will give a speech. Thank you all
it
for
clean.
repairing our motorcycles. On behalf of you and your son.
Yes, yes. Thank you all. Yes.
You outdid yourself
However,
with 2 bikes.
I'm going to take this opportunity to present a gift to Phil. Because I want you all to know that for 5 years that I've known him, he's never once failed to return a phone call. The only reason we're here is because of Phil. You read that?
1944.
I bought it at the Legion, dude. It's for you. I want to thank you. That's
you
the
very
only
much.
reason we're here is because of this guy. I don't have the internet. I would have missed you. And
Okay, Phil, we're not
Phil
inviting
brought
you
you.
anymore.
So thank you. Thank you.
That's your fault.
Thank you, Phil.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you're here. It wouldn't have been the same without you.
Next year, you
Yeah.
gotta bring 3 bikes in the van.
Yeah. So while I have center stage, I would like to bring to you all greetings from Ham Jam, who is very, very sorry that he can't be here.
For this, Randy.
And as you all know, he's not well, but he's doing the best he can, and he would really have liked to have been here. And those of you who can make it to Access North, he would love to see you there.
Jimmy.
And once again, Tom, wherever you are, a pleasure riding down with you. It's always a pleasure to ride with all you guys. It's just great. Today, this afternoon, a moment for myself. This afternoon, I got to ride behind Brent for a little while as we left the covered bridge. And it brought back to both of us very fond memories of our time running down the Blue Ridge Parkway. And I know many of us take the piss out of the Harley riders, and I have to say that it's a pleasure to ride behind a Harley with a standard exhaust system. It is a wonderful burbly sort of sound, and I always know when Brent moves his ass in the saddle, oh, better get ready, this is going to be a tight one.
Yeah, he does that and he cranks it.
So it's wonderful to be here, and thank you all, guys. It's great.
Where are we going next?
Yeah, we're camcording everything.
Where are we going next?
Next year?
Next year we got 8 votes for Canada and 5 for.
Okay, you guys all hear that?
8 votes for
These are
Canada.
suggestions, okay? Now we got about 360 some days to get to the final solution. And we got how many for Canada?
We have 8 for
And
Canada.
how many for every place else?
5.
Okay, you Canadians aren't invited next year. Go to your own round.
Well, Canada's a
Just
big
kidding.
place. Was there one specific
So what-
part of Canada?
No, they're all over the place. I don't know one from the next. So they were just suggestions. Yeah, we'll bounce it around. We'll see.
Basically, it comes up to whoever wants to step up and say we're gonna do it.
That's what it's about.
And you got a month
Yeah.
to step up and say, and then you get help out.
Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah.
Not Victoria Day.
Now, when you were writing that down, and you were writing the place where you live, you must have been thinking, "Oh, it could be me." Well,
It's gonna be warm.
you build it, we'll come.
Here, you take it.
Canada.
You can stop.